Question 1. A red die and a yellow die are thrown and the events A, B and C are defined as follow. A is the event that the yellow die shows a 5, B is the event that the sum of the scores of the two dice is 5, and C is the event that the red die shows a 5. Find by setting up an appropriate two-way table or otherwise the probability of event A. Now I personally wouldn't do a two-day table for this question, but I will show you how we could. So we could have a 1 on the yellow and a 1 on the red dice. We could have a 1 on the yellow and a 2 on the red dice. A 1, 3, etc. I have completed a two-way table, though as I say we can probably do it without having done one. A, part 1. The probability of event A happening. The probability that the yellow dice shows a 5. There are 6 numbers on the yellow dice, each equally likely and only one number 5. So it is 1 out of 6. Part 2, the probability of event B is that the score on the two dice is 5. So we could use our two-way table, and we've got a 1 and a 4, 2 and a 3, 3 and a 2, 4 and a 1. So if you've got your two-way table, it is easy to see, or we could have just thought, what numbers do we actually want? The score on the yellow and the score on the red. 4 possibilities, so it will be 4 out of 36. Part 3, probability of event C. That's the red dice shows a 5, so that's again 1 out of 6. Question 4, the probability of A intersect B is the probability of events A and B happening at the same time. And you can see if the total comes to 5, which we've got these possibilities in our purple circles, then we cannot have a 5 on the yellow dice, so that is a probability of 0. Similarly, for part 5, the probability of B intersect C, for the same reason, if the total is coming to 5, we cannot have a 5 on the red dice, so that has got a probability of 0. Part B, which event is mutually exclusive of A? In other words, which event cannot happen at the same time as event A? And we have just shown that that is event B. For part C, which event is independent of A? Which event does not affect the outcome of event A? Obviously, rolling the red dice and getting a 5, that does not affect whether the yellow dice is a 5, so the one that is independent is event C.